Hi, Sue.
Hi, Sue. Welcome. Do you live around here?
Northfield, Little
Northfield.
Road.
We know Northfield. It's a beautiful spot. I teach in Leverett.
Oh,
So.
Coffee and goodies.
All right. Oh, yes. Get drinks, hot drinks, cold water. All right. So, Sharice,
Hi.
did I say anything more?
No, it's good.
All right. You let us know what you're up.
I'm gonna sing a song that I wrote. It's called Destiny. And you need to be quiet while I'm singing, okay? And then you can have a turn. Okay.
Okay. All right.
The first guy I moved in with, that we used to beat each other up a lot for 4 years, and now, you know, it ended, but I still miss him sometimes. We had a really strong connection, like romance and candlelight, so now it's about you.
Thanks for sharing that.
You're welcome.
Yeah,
thank
thank
you.
you. Does she want to do a little something?
Yeah.
Do a song? Okay.
All right.
Do you want to do it in the mic or just in front of everyone? What song are you going to do? Mockingbird.
I think she.
Well, go ahead, tell me.
Oh, she might not want the mic. I think she
Okay,
said that.
goes up,
Yeah.
okay.
What do you want to do?
I thought she said she did.
I don't know.
Okay.
We can
Look,
lower
I
the
can
mic
make
if
this
you want.
work, watch.
I think it's
I'll just give me a
the
second.
hidden mic.
Yeah, the little spinner.
Are you going to sing with me? Ready?
No, that's got to be taped.
Sing loud.
Wait a minute. Thanks, man.
Double check. Does she want the mic or does she want?
No, but we're going to give her a chance.
Oh, she does. Okay.
Baby, don't say a word.
Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird.
Is that my what doesn't say?
Mama's gonna buy you
When diamond don't shine,
Mama's gonna buy you a bottle of
wine
And when that bottle of wine's all
is
gone,
gone.
Mama's gonna sing you another song.
Oh, that's marvelous. Oh, thank you.
Shelburne.
Shelburne, thank you. All right. Oh, I love the variety here. I
Oh,
cannot tell you.
that's so pretty.
All right. Thank you, Sharice.
I altered the lyrics to that.
I hope you'll keep coming so we can get to know more of you.
Yeah. And
Dusty.
your daughter has a perfect voice, too.
There you
She
go.
sings like Janis Joplin. She's got
She said she sings like Janis Joplin.
She has the Janis Joplin voice.
She does have a Janis Joplin.
All right. So Dusty Miller, recent author, and my wife. Step up here. Here we go.
Okay, I'm gonna get
Oh,
out from under
yeah,
this
this is all
thing.
turned around.
Yeah.
You want to hold
Yeah.
it? Yeah, that's safest.
I'm gonna be reading something that's a blog that's written by Alice Ott. And Alice
Hold that
Ott
up
is
close.
about 80, and I'm gonna read a little biography of her, and then one of her writings. And there